For the last part of this little story we're telling, we're going to introduce some trees so that it looks more like the cat and horse are running as opposed to just staying at the same spot. So to do that, we also have the tree wait for the message. Go riding. In other words, the tree starts to show up only after the cat and horse starts riding. So when I receive go riding, we'll have a forever loop. And we use create clone of myself to generate new trees. So once in a while, a tree will be generated and it moves from the right hand of the screen to the left hand of the screen. So we do that every 2 seconds. After the clone is created, the clone is going to do a glide. So when I start as a clone, we'll show the clone first because remember we were hiding this particular sprite. So we'll show the clone here and then have it go to 300 and minus 75. When I move my mouse here, you might notice that the x and y values are changing. On this side of the screen, the x is positive and y is negative. If the tree glides to the other side of the screen, you see that the x becomes negative as well, and the y stays relatively same. So to do that, what I'm going to do is I'll add a glide block. And I have picked here to be 300 and minus 75. And you can try different values and place the tree at the place you like. For gliding, we'll do 3 seconds. And then on this side of the screen, I'll make it minus 300. And then have the y stays the same. So it's glide horizontally. After it gets to the other end of the screen, what I'll do is I'll just delete this clone because I don't need it anymore. Let's give it a try. The dialog. And then they start writing, and the trees start to show up. Now, this looks much more like the cat and horse are actually running. One thing you might have noticed that the trees are coming at the same space because I wait for 2 seconds for each tree to show up. This is okay, but I would really prefer to make it not that even. So what I'll do is, instead of having it wait for 2 seconds every time, I'll pick a random number. This is what the pick random block does. It lets you pick a random number between 2 numbers. And in this case, I'll do 0.5 and 2.5. Let's give it another try. Dialog. And then starts running. And now you can see that the trees are coming at different speed. So the space between them varies because I have used this pick random block to control when a new tree is generated. And you can change these numbers to different numbers as well to decide or to adjust how fast you want your trees to show up. Great, that's it. And enjoy.